Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add an additional name on your LinkedIn profile. This feature is perfect if you want to include a former name, maiden name, or even a nickname. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so from your App Store. Once you're in the app, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll access your profile settings. After tapping on the Me icon, you'll be directed to your profile page. Here, scroll down and find the option labeled Settings. Click on it to enter the Settings menu. Next, navigate to Account Preferences. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, including your profile information. Under Profile Information, you will see an option that says Name, Location, and Industry. Click on this to proceed. Now, look for the Edit icon next to your name. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Once you click on it, you'll see a field labeled Additional Name. Here's where you can enter the name you wish to add, be it a nickname or a previous name. After entering your additional name, it's important to set who can see this information. LinkedIn gives you several visibility options. You can choose to share it with your connections, your network, or all LinkedIn members. Make sure to select the option that best fits your needs. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the screen. This step is crucial, as it ensures that all your changes are recorded properly. And there you have it. Adding an additional name on LinkedIn is that simple. By following these steps, you can enhance your profile and make it easier for connections from different stages of your life to find you. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.